Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl. Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. She's so spiky.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you. One, two, three. What? Lapatita. Hello. I love you. I love you.
Hello. Picky, 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 picky room. Picky, 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 picky room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Chicken Bombs from food.com. This recipe serves 5 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
What color? What color is this? Metal. No, what color? It's not even metal, it's made of plastic. What color?
Black.
Yes, color black. Color black. Good boy. Alright, 2 more. What's this called?
Cork.
That's right, it's a cork. Good job. Alright, 1 more. What's this made of?
Metal.
Yes, good boy. There's a stash.
What's that mean?
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Can you come in?
Don't touch.
She's going to Tara's house. I don't think he likes it.
Go in your nose. Stop there. Margot.
Or something.
Hey, don't turn up there.
Uh-oh. It's going to scare Kitty if he goes down. Oh, he's gone.
Go out. Come on, out. Go.
Oh, Kitty's not moving. Oh, she's going to be in trouble.
Cairo? When's the bird, man? Hey, don't touch.
Oh, Kitty.
Hey,
She's in trouble.
smarten up, man.
Peekaboo.